Hey guys, meet the latest set of gadgets from all over the web. We found something cool for your mind and your body. Those who are into gaming will definitely like the perfect threesome of gaming phone, dock, and a gamepad controller. There's also an unusual computer on the list and a multi-touch table with accessories for comfortable usage. All the links to the products are given in the description below. Wear your sunglasses. Today's set's an insane blaze of color. Whether you ride a bike or a longboard, this helmet must be really helpful on the road. The luminous panel on the rear side makes you visible for every driver. This display supports dynamic animations, including your own custom patterns. There's a mobile app for all the settings. In addition, the turn signals and automatic brake lights make your actions perfectly predictable. The helmet's suitable for any weather conditions, and it runs up to 10 hours on one charge. How smart can a toaster possibly get? Here's a great example. Unlike the regular ones, this toaster is equipped with a huge touch-sensitive display. It makes all the controls glanceable and extremely simple. So first, there are 5 food settings depending on what you're cooking: bread, bagels, or something else. Then you have 3 toasting modes: fresh, frozen, and reheat, as well as 7 browning levels. The proprietary heating system makes sure that every piece is toasted evenly and just as you want it. The system will notify you when it's time to clean the crumb tray. With its stylish stainless steel housing, this toaster will perfectly fit any kitchen interior. When not used, the screen acts as a digital clock. This educational DIY kit proves once again that it can be really fun to learn something new. It allows both kids and their parents to acquire some basic soldering and coding skills. You'll have to build the shiny LED cube from scratch by gradually connecting 6 matrix boards. All the instruction and components are included. You only have to find a soldering iron. Each side of the cube is equipped with bright LEDs. When all the assembling is done, you can start coding. Each light is individually addressable, which means endless possibilities for customization, from adjusting the color and brightness to creating your own beautiful patterns. So it's a toy and a course book at the same time. Here's an amazing gadget for DJs, beatboxers, and those who are into modern music. This loop station presents the most fun and intuitive way to record and mix 5 different loops. Each track has its own fader. Most importantly, there's a great variety of effects that you can use either with separate tracks or with the whole mix. The device features reverb, delay, various bass sounds. There's a lot of stuff in there. While the FX section provides you with more intricate options like beat, repeat, filter, or granular delay, the station also supports 85 rhythm patterns. You get dual stereo ports both for input and output, along with USB and MIDI connectivity. All the control elements are backlit so you can perform in the dark perfectly well. This is clearly not for daytime. Here's an innovative portable device that's equally helpful for building muscles and recovering from an arm injury. All you have to do is twist the ball in your hand at any speed you like. But the faster you do it, the more difficult it gets. How does that work? Well, there's a powerful rotor inside the ball that produces gyroscopic resistance. There's a wide range of models varying in torque, difficulty, and materials. The basic plastic version requires manual winding, while the other ones wind up automatically. Another cool feature of the high-end models is the integrated LCD display that shows your workout info. If you want something made of metal, there are several stainless steel options. They stand out with advanced zinc rotors and premium look, but they also require more force, so maybe you'll be fine with plastic. No matter your age or coding experience, this little gadget is your gateway into the world of software development. It's basically a tiny computer that has everything you need for limitless experiments: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. So you're free to decide what to make out of this thing: a voice recorder, navigation tool, or safety smart home device. 3 physical buttons also allow using it as a perfect remote control for your TV or drone. And that's just a single block. You can easily combine it with the other ones for even broader functionality. The gadget is compatible with major programming platforms such as Arduino, which makes it accessible even for beginners. Now, this was the basic version, and there's a slightly newer one. This model features a touchscreen display instead of the old-fashioned buttons, plus it boasts a much larger battery and a vibration motor, so there are even more possibilities to create. Looking at this gorgeous packaging, you can tell right away this isn't a regular smartphone. You're right, it's made for gamers. And that's why it's literally stuffed with the latest hardware. So you get a 6.59-inch Full HD display with 144Hz refresh rate along with a Snapdragon 865 octa-core CPU. The enormous 6,000 mAh battery makes sure you can play hours on end, even using 5G. The enhanced Air Trigger 3 technology allows even better controls, while dual front-facing stereo speakers deliver an immersive sound. But what makes this phone truly unique is the variety of accessories that make it even more powerful. Starting with the included clip-on cooling fan that prevents overheating at peak performance. Additionally, there's an amazing TwinView case that provides you with a second touch display. It features the same full HD resolution and high refresh rate as the main one. This dock is also equipped with its own cooler and 5,000 mAh battery and 0.1-inch audio jack. Last but definitely not least is the exclusive gaming controller. In standalone mode, it's just a great gamepad with a full set of analog triggers, joysticks, and rear control keys. But you can easily pull out the joysticks and attach them to the phone, turning it into an ultimate portable console. USB-C connection provides great responsiveness without any latencies. The Kunai bumper is also compatible with the Aeroactive cooler and all the TwinView accessories. Imagine the monster you'd get by bringing together all these accessories. Safety on the road is crucial for cyclists. You can't see when a car approaches you unless you have eyes in the back of your head. Well, with this rear-view radar, you'll see everything in advance. With its compact vertical design, it easily mounts to most road-use bicycles. The radar detects every car within a 460-foot distance, and the built-in taillight is visible from a mile away. The gadget is Bluetooth-enabled, which brings some additional functionality. You can pair it with a variety of wearable gadgets on your smartphone using a special mobile app. It provides you with glanceable graphics showing everything behind you. In addition, you'll receive vibration alerts. Using third-party apps, you can also overlay your GPS maps with radar info. Now you're safe. Sometimes actual tech products are way ahead of our wildest dreams and futuristic design concepts. When it comes to these giant touch tables, that's exactly the case. So is this so-called coffee table. With its bezel-less touchscreen, the screen size varies from 43 to 55 inches, so you'll get plenty of space for working, gaming, and entertainment. This display stands out with the support of 80 touch points, which allow sharing the table with your friends and colleagues. No doubt the table's specs are great, but the Pro Table is a genuine beast. It comes with 32 GB of RAM, dual 250 GB SSDs, and RTX 2070 graphics by NVIDIA. On top of that, it boasts an integrated Yamaha audio system. Okay, now let's go a bit wider. The Pano Table combines two 55-inch screens into a seamless ultra-wide touch display. Just like the previous ones, this table is incredibly sleek and sturdy thanks to the all-aluminum construction. Or you can go with the Platform 2 model. Its maxed-out version comes with a 65-inch screen. And naturally, there's a full set of ports hidden inside. Architects and designers will definitely prefer this last table due to the convenient angle. Whichever table you prefer, you should also get these smart tangibles. They're natively integrated into the system, so you can enjoy buttery smooth animations. Each tangible uses Bluetooth and built-in accelerometer for various types of actions. The multicolor LEDs add up to the whole magical look.